I'm sure most of us get excited when Black Friday come around every year, if only to see if that one thing on our wish list is finally being sold at a reasonable price, or to get all of our holiday gifts done in advance. Either way, it's exciting, but it can also be very overwhelming. So today I want to try and do a sort of gift guide to try and help you guys out. But you can also use it as a guide to get something nice for yourself. Alright, so let's get into the gift ideas. First, let's see what to get the gamer. The easy choice would be to get them a game that they've been wanting. We highly recommend games like Resident Evil 4 Remake for the horror fans, as it's one, if not the best, Resident Evil game out there, now with upgraded graphics. And Clear Obscure Expedition 33 for an unforgettable story and characters paired with beautiful music and fun turn-based RPG mechanics. You could also get them an extra controller in a fun color. There are, for example, several official versions of the PS5 controller, including a lot of colors, to some really cool special editions, such as this Astrobot one, which is one of my personal favorites that we own. There is also the DualSense Edge controller for PS5, which gives you way more freedom in how you use your controller, from extra mappable back buttons to adjustable trigger lengths, especially useful for FPS games. The next option is to look at merch, for example, God of War t-shirts. We recently found this PlayStation logo light at Target that you can either hang on the wall or place on a desk, and instantly knew it would look perfect in our gaming setup. There are lots of other versions of this light out there though, like this Xbox logo neon light for your wall. A more expensive idea could be a gaming console, like the Steam Deck or PS Portal, or a new PS5. The Steam Deck is a great option if you have a PC already, as you can play most of your current Steam library games on the Steam Deck without having to buy games again. The same thought process is applied to the PS Portal, since for this, you will be playing your PS4 or PS5 games. The main difference, outside of the platform, is the fact that the Steam Deck plays games locally on the device, and the PS Portal streams the games over Wi-Fi and is connected to your PS5. Thanks to a recent update though, you can play on the PS Portal without a PS5. But then you need a higher tier of their online subscription model. Both handheld devices are great. It just depends on what you need them for. There are also, of course, the option of the Switch 2, a great upgrade from the original Switch console from Nintendo, which we have a full initial impressions on in a previous video. And as for the PS5 Pro, it really is, in my opinion, the ultimate way to play games, especially console games. It gives you unreal performance and quality at the same time, making any game you play both look and play as the devs intended, if not better. Now, it is a lot more expensive than the base PS5, and you need a pretty decent TV in order to tell a huge difference, so it might not be doable for a lot of people, especially as a gift. For this, the base PS5 is a great option, although we highly recommend that you get the version that comes with a disc drive. That way you can play your old physical PS4 games, as well as buy games secondhand to save money in the long run, instead of being locked into the digital PlayStation sales only. Another idea could be to get them parts to upgrade their PC, such as GPUs or RAM. Compared to a console gamer, the PC gamer can always upgrade their system bit by bit, or go full out with a new build. Either way, helping them get one part off their wish list towards their optimal build is sure to be appreciated. Just make sure you ask them exactly what model they need, or what other parts they have currently, to make sure it's all compatible. A new GPU is usually a safe bet, however, and will help improve their gaming experience by a lot. While we mainly like to focus on gaming and tech gifts, we also want to help you guys find the right kind of gifts for friends and family around you that might not share the same hobbies as you. So let's go over a few of those as well. Also, stay for the end for bonus tech gift ideas. Next up, for the friend that just moved. The practical gift would be some sort of plates or glassware that they'd actually use, but might be on a little nicer side. We personally use and love the stoneware Westfield dinnerware set from Target, which comes in a mix of 4 normal sized dinner plates, 4 smaller salad plates, and 4 cereal bowls. We got these in 2 different colors, blue and white, but you can mix and match how you want, or just go for one color. Sometimes all we want to do is splurge on a nice gift for someone we love, and while we might want to get them that new shiny console, there are also other options if they're not into gaming. Then the luxury gift would be something nice, like a heated towel rack or an air fryer. There's nothing nicer than getting out of the shower and wrapping yourself in a heated towel now that it's winter, and we honestly can't tell you just how much we use our air fryer. Our old air fryer broke a couple of weeks ago and it felt like absolute chaos trying to cook without it. We ended up buying the Ninja DZ401 Foodie air fryer, and it's been so good to us. For a more stylish gift, consider looking for home design products like new pillows or a cozy rug to really make their place feel like home. We bought a lot of rugs for our basement setup to 1. Cover up the old carpet since it would be really expensive to replace it all, and 2. To give each area their own space, making them feel more like their own section instead of being lost in the size of the room. Area rugs like these can really give personality to a place too, so consider the kind of vibe you're going for. More classic and neutral to let the rest of the furniture shine, or something more vibrant and moody. A whole moody or colorful rug might feel like too much of a commitment, which is where the pillows come in. They are easier and cheaper to swap out in the future, and you won't feel as overwhelmed with a bold choice. Next is what to get your parents. The classic would be something cozy but usable, like a high quality bathrobe or some nice candles or candlesticks. I recently got gifted a super comfortable bathrobe from a brand called Pelle, and it's really improved my mood during the cold mornings. You can get creative here with the color choices, but also consider if you should get a cotton-based one, which will feel more like a huge, thick towel, a fleece one, which will feel like a blanket, or a silk or satin one for a more luxurious feel. You can also go all in with a new smart TV, like this LG OLED TV. Both Cam and I have one of these, although from different years, and they are seriously the best gaming TVs we have ever tried. They give you the perfect colors, black levels, and refresh rates, all very important when gaming. We actually prefer gaming on these TVs over any other in our house, including our decked out, really nice home movie theater. There's just nothing that beats gaming on these. Plus, they will give you a great experience when watching general TV or the best new movies too. And don't worry if you're on a tight budget, good gifts doesn't have to mean expensive ones. For budget-friendly options, consider something personal and handmade, like an experience. You can host a themed marathon of their favorite movie, providing the snacks and themed party decorations like these Star Wars plates and tablecloth. Keeping with the theme, you could also make them something handmade, like for example knitting a scarf in their favorite colors, or frame a drawing that you made. And finally, your tech-savvy friend. Consider things that will make their life easier. This could be as simple as a portable SSD like this one, with a lot of storage to boost their productivity. Like this one from Samsung. It has really fast speeds and a lot of room for file storage. Plus, it comes in a pretty blue color so they don't lose it as easily. You could also get them a robot vacuum to help them out with cleaning. We use one on each floor of our house, and it's honestly made our chores so much more manageable ever since moving into our own place. We recommend the J20 from Eureka, which we use on the main floor of our house. It can be easily controlled via an app to set which rooms it should clean and certain areas to avoid, such as your pet's food area. Did I mention that it will also mop your floors? We just love how easily it keeps our house clean. You could even get them a massage chair to help them relax at the end of a busy day. Now this is a very expensive option, but we recently got one of these and everyone who's visited our house since has been absolutely obsessed after trying it, so it's definitely worth the hefty price tag. The specific one we have and recommend is the Ibomas IBM P03. As you can see, there are so many options out there for every budget and for every person on your list. I really hope this video gave you some inspiration. Also remember to shop smart this Black Friday and check prices in advance to avoid being tricked by thinking you're getting a better deal than you are. Below what you're hoping will go on sale this Black Friday, and if you're shopping for yourself, gifts, or a mix of both. Thank you guys for watching. Consider giving the video a like if it helped you in any way, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these in the future. We'll see you in the next video.